Hello, today I will be talking about this product I have here on my hands. This is a hygiene project. It is the Shea Butter African Black Soap. As you can see right here, the packaging is a little weird because I have used it obviously. It comes in this it comes in a really thick, you can tell I've kept it in just because it's such good packaging. It's thick paper and stuff. There you go. This is what it looks like. Pretty big. It's 8 ounces. Okay. And as you can read right here, clearly says it's for troubled skin, and I will be going into that and how it has helped me and how I feel like it is a great product overall. This has I bought this probably 5 months ago, and I told you it was 8 ounces, and you can just see how and I've definitely used it very often. You can just see how I don't use a lot of it to get its job done. Its roots have been used from 1912, so it's such an old product that still continues to be good nowadays, and I can definitely say it is very good still to this day. The way I found out about this was through a social media thread about self-care. I was just getting into trying out some new products and stuff. Not that I don't have much of an acne problem, it's just here and there, and I just have sometimes dealing with blemishes, and when I do get a pimple here and there, I definitely like to avoid a blemish or scarring and all that stuff for sure. You don't have to have super bad skin to be using this product. Even if you have let's say you feel your skin, sorry about that, is smooth or already has a glow or anything like that, I would still definitely recommend this just because it cleans out your face so good. This is such a natural product. It has so many certified organic ingredients if you are into that. Here it does tell you its story. Like I said, it has very old roots and stuff, and you can see the tree and stuff. It's very organic. Right here it says severely dry skin. It also keeps it moisturized, and because it's a soap, it's not oily really, more just moisturizing and just stays on for as much as you need it and stuff like that. Right here it does tell you ingredients. Has a website too if you want to look into it, and they have so many other great products as well, and I haven't tried many other products of them, but I definitely will in the future because this is such a good product in my opinion. Now the main ingredients, like I said, it does name them on the side, but just so you guys have an idea of what kind of products it has African Shea Butter, of course, Oats, Aloe, plantain extract, and vitamin E, which is so really good just right off the bat. Even if it just had vitamin E, just the ingredients alone are so good for your skin. And like I said, I believe this is for all skin types. I have a combination of oily and dry skin. I don't really have a problem with saying my skin is too dry or too oily, and this definitely helps my skin. I've asked people who have oily or dry skin, one or the other, and they've said that they don't really have trouble. If anything, the people with oily skin, it helps them maintain it, and vice versa. It's so cool. It just helps you maintain your skin and keeps it balanced. Not only that, it literally helps whether it's too dry or even if it's too oily and you just need help your oiliness not cause you pimples and stuff like that. Definitely helps with that. It doesn't say oh, it's for acne or anything like that, but I just know so many people have used this for their acne and stuff. It does this troubled skin. I believe you can use this all over your body, so your back, anything, you can use this as a regular soap. Even in your hands, I'm sure it will moisturize it. I've personally never used it on my hands. I just use it on my back, shoulders, and my face most of the time. I don't put it right on it because I don't want to share it with my face and my back. I just put it on a cloth and stuff, and I will be showing you guys the cloth I use. It is simply just this cloth right here. You can see it's just a smooth, and it has a more rougher side. This is what I use with this product. I will scrub it. I will wet this first and then scrub it on here, and then with that I'll use it for my body. And if I want to use it on my face, I will wet this and use this scrubber right here, and it does so good. Sometimes I would just rub my hands on it. Let's say if I'm I'm just getting tired and I just need a quick wash on my face, I would just let it go like that and go on my face, and it'll still do the same. Now this is definitely something I use often. I I even sometimes use it like before I do my makeup or apply anything else on my face, just because I want to make sure it's clean. And whenever I use it, I feel like it is clean. Not only does it like stop like bad things from my skin, it just feels clean overall and whatnot. And I will be showing you guys how like soapy this can be. And even if you just literally do it for a second, like you can see right here, it doesn't create like any like artificial bubbles. It literally just looks so smooth. I hope you guys can tell from here, like you can already see it. It doesn't look oily. You can see the glow of it. You know, it doesn't look oily. I will apply it a little bit more so you guys can see a little better. Now, I use this before bed. I don't really use it at night just because I don't have the need to wash my face like, you know, twice or 3 times a day. I just use it in the morning. Like you guys can see right here, it's not oily. That's just the water. But once I like take off that water, the soap, it leaves it so smooth looking compared to, well, I did wet this one, but you know, you can see right here a little bit, it's more dry than right here. And I already took off the water. Yeah, this is such a good product. Definitely recommend it. It is pretty big. I mean, you can travel with this. I feel like you should be able to travel with this. It doesn't take too much of your space. Definitely if you travel with it, though, I would say, you know, just put it in a Ziploc bag or somewhere where you don't really have to worry about it falling down. I just keep it in here just because I don't really take it with me anywhere. You can take it anywhere with you. It's not that big of a hassle. Definitely recommend this. I hope this has helped you guys learn more about this product. Thank you so much for watching.